Now let's see how we can use more Excel commands like the contextual menu. If I click on a cell and I right click it, I get a contextual menu which I've talked about before, but now I need to go into detail on the contextual menu. If you go to any of these contextual menus, like copy, paste, you don't have much option here. Let's say in this cell I've got 100 and I go in here and I right click 100. You can see that here if I click on copy, I'll have these lines around copy, and I have options to paste here or in another workbook or in another worksheet. But if I go to paste, I have to select the cell that I want to paste in, and in that cell that I want to paste in, I can choose to paste by hitting paste, and you can see it pastes exactly in the same way as it was here. And then if I go into the one that I've pasted, I will still see this paste here with options. What it is telling me is that I can choose to copy it as it is with the formatting and paste it here with its formatting, or I can choose to go down here and select that I don't want to paste with formatting, I want to paste formula, the formula if there is any formula, or I want to paste only the value and not the pasting, the formatting. So I can choose here to paste the value in the source formatting, or the value and number formatting, or just values only. If I click on value only, you find that my 100 comes here, but without bold and without underline, because I've just chosen to paste the values only. So it really depends on what I want to do. I can decide to have other paste formats, like pasting it as a picture as well, and I can paste it like that. And on copy, I also have options on copy. I'm going to just take this one out, and let's say I want to copy this 100. If I go to copy up here without having to go to the contextual menu, if I go to copy here, I can click on this downward arrow and I can choose to copy this as a picture. If I keep it, copy as a picture, I'll get this menu that says you're copying as a picture, and the appearance is shown on the screen or is shown when printed, and then you want to format it as a picture or as a bitmap. If I take the normal things that are selected already, or the default settings, I'll click on OK, and now I have to go to paste and click on paste, and you can see that my 100 has been pasted. I can click to move it. It's now copied as a picture. As you can see, it's an object. It's not in any cell. It has been made to come above everything else, because it's now my 100 has been copied as a picture.